In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. My name is Ms. Zenobia Faisal, Associate Professor of English in Islamia Girls College, Quetta. Today, we start with unit number 3 of first year. It is a poem, a song, a psalm of life written by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. He was born in 1807 and died in 1882. What do you mean by psalm? Psalm is a kind of religious song. It deals with the seriousness of purpose in life, and its objective is to promote serious thoughts among the readers. Psalm is a song which is suitable to be sung in the church, mainly by the church choir members. It has a religious flavor and touch in it. It is basically a moralistic poem that teaches a moral lesson. The poem, the Psalm of Life, it tells that life is not just only an empty dream. Dream is something which we see while we are sleeping, and when we wake up, we mostly forget it. Life is much more than an empty dream. It is something real and true, and reality is faced, not forgotten. Life depends on the soul more than the body. We are made of dust and we shall return to dust one day. So the real importance is of the soul, that we should take care of our spirituality, and we should give importance to our soul. The final goal, the final destination of man is the grave. And the real importance we should give to the life hereafter. Life is not just meant for enjoyment and for bearing the sorrows and hardships. The body is mortal, but the soul is immortal. We are made of dust and we shall return to dust one day, and life hereafter shall begin after death. The poet says that religion teaches us a lot about this life as well as the life hereafter. Man should learn from it. Man should also learn from the lives of great men and should follow their footprints. Because great men, they always do great in their lives. And if you seek greatness, you must follow their image. If you want to make your life sublime and successful, you must act like a hero then. Don't be a villain. Act like a hero, because life is a battle to be fought. We fight in our lives all the time. It is the duty of man to labor in this world. And then he must wait with patience for the fruit of his labor. Labor never goes waste. And the fruit of patience is the sweetest perhaps in this world. Great men are remembered for a long, long time, even after their death. Because they do something exceptional, extraordinary and unique in their lives. And their good names survive forever in the pages of history. According to the poet, life should not be treated in a careless way. The theme of the poem is that the life of man is much more than an empty dream. Be not like dumb driven cattle who follow somebody else and they do not have their own will to do something. Always try to decide for yourselves before it is too late. You must act like a hero and struggle for your aims. You must always try to achieve what you want to achieve in this world, and especially your achievement should be for the life hereafter. So the poet says that the great men are praiseworthy. People praise them for their good work even after their death. The good names shall survive forever. Thank you.